Yo, what's uppers? Hey, Jizzle back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Another unboxing, man. Let me just open this up, tell you what it is inside. Unboxing with your boy AJ, A to the J. All right, we're gonna open the box, see what's inside the box. Little something. And tell me if y'all like these unboxing videos I've been doing, you know what I'm saying? Open up the box. All right, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. Gucci watch, bro. Look like this thing getting mad dusty, bro. Like nobody's seen this thing for a long time, bro. How dust get in the box, man? What y'all think about that though, man? It's like a little casual watch, you feel me? Everyday watch, you know what I mean? Waterproof, you know what I'm saying? Bring it to the pool, bring it to the beach. What y'all think about this watch though, man? Little something, you know what I'm saying? Ain't too flashy. Not too flashy. Not too flashy, but you know what I'm saying? A little bit of drip. Little bit of drip. You know what I'm saying? Come with the little pamphlet. But yeah, man. Just a little simple watch, you know what I mean? Nothing too flashy. What y'all think about this watch though, man? I had to take it out the tripod, give y'all a closer look, you know what I mean? Something casual for everyday wear, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to be too flashy sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Gucci watch. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, man. Your boy Jizzle, man. You know what I'm saying? Gucci. I'm gonna keep this video short, man. Hope y'all like this video. Hope you like the little watch, you know what I'm saying? Little something. Gucci. Your boy Jizzle, man. And I'm out. Peace.